I'm Andy Williams. I'm a Director of Space Professionals of Space Professionals Partnership Limited, which is a network of independent consultants providing basically consultancy into the space sector. It's so important to have a good work-life balance. So being based in Cornwall is just excellent for that. I think that's really good. The second thing about Cornwall, which is really useful, is that close-knit community between the various stakeholders in the region, and that's something that the Cornwall Space Cluster supports. So that community of various different organisations within the county and the potential collaboration that comes out to that. Recently, the UK Space Agency put out a training programme fund, which we then were selected for, along with partners, the Royal Institute of Navigation, Geospatial Ventures Limited and Space Skills Alliance, and us basically put together a training solution called Space Applications Learning Hub. And this training is aimed at sort of reducing the skills gap within the sector. And our training is specifically directed towards space applications. So this is satellite communications, it's Earth observation, it's position navigation timing, and also cross-cutting themes such as space systems engineering. And we're delivering a series of webinars, and then next year we're going to be going into delivering in-person training. And it really is addressing those needs, understanding how satellite assets can help in terms of SATCOM, in terms of Earth observation, in terms of satellite navigation, position navigation timing. So that is a really nice example of something we've got involved in, which has come out of a government initiative, which I think is going to be really beneficial.